everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, or if you're a new subscriber, or if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below. So today I'm going to be planning for the week of the 17th of September. So I have brand new pages right here. And sorry for the lighting. This was during all of Hurricane Florence, so we had like a ton of rain. So natural lighting outside was definitely not the best. Thankfully, Virginia, where I live, was not hit as badly as it originally looked like we would be hit. So yeah, I'm just putting down some washi tape on the top and bottom of the page right here. And if you've seen my other Playing With Me videos, you probably noticed that I'm using a different gift card now. And that is because I finally used that Bath & Body Works gift card. And I bought a couple of really nice fall scented candles. So now I'm on to this American Eagle gift card, which has like probably 30 cents left on it. So I'm most likely never gonna actually use it. So it is now my new washi tape card. I think I got this washi tape from Michael's, I believe. It was one of the kind where it's not packaged or anything, it's just in a bin for really cheap, if I'm remembering correctly. So I doubt you'd be able to find it anymore, because this is beginning of the summer, I think, that I got it. This washi tape that I'm putting down above and below the green marble one, I picked it out because it was gold as well, and I thought it would look good with the foiling. But this is probably one of my least favorite washi tapes I own, which I discovered while putting it down. It really just did not want to stick to the paper. You probably just saw it like folded back down some that it curled up, and it just kept doing that for most of the time while I was planning. I think this washi tape was from Walmart. They have their own like glam planner line, if I'm not mistaken. I'm really not sure because it was gifted to me, but I do not recommend this washi tape. It's a bit on the cheap side, so it's good for the price. I mean, I guess you get what you pay for it, but it was pretty annoying to have to keep forcing it down. And eventually I go in with the gift card that I used to cut it and like really like press it down pretty hard, which I really don't think you should ever have to do with the washi tape if it's actually good quality. Also, let me know if you all like Plan With Me's weekly or if you like it monthly, because now with this video I've technically done both. I usually do monthly Plan With Me's where I set up my bullet journal for the month, but I think doing weekly ones would be pretty fun too, so then my end of the month flip throughs don't take as long, you know? You're probably already seeing most of what I've set up already. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you think, and also if you like voiceovers better or more like live, I'm talking while I'm planning videos. So now I'm just picking up my supplies. I'm trying to figure out what colors to use with what goes with the washi tape. So I'm just looking at the smile liner, but it's definitely way too blue for the greens that I have going on. So I ended up going with this green Tombow brush pen, my regular Ink Joy gel pen in black, and this burnt orangish mildliner, not mildliner, what's it called, flare felt tip pen thing, and then a green mildliner. And I'm using the Tombow brush pen to make these swatches where I'm gonna write the dates in. I did this in the September Plan With Me video too. I really liked how it kind of incorporates the color and also creates the header for the date. So now that I have the days all written in, I'm gonna go in with the green mildliner and just draw a column down one of the columns, I guess, I don't know. And this is just going to basically highlight the to-do list I'm gonna make for each day. I haven't really done this before that I can think of, so I don't know, I liked how it turns out, bringing in more of a pop of color. Not that it was really needed, but color is fun. Now I'm just gonna go in and write in all of my to-dos for the week. They're not really like very extensive, but I like to try and make sure that I write basic things down sometimes just so that I know I should do it. Like read, I write that down a lot. And going for a run, which I told myself to do on Monday. And I'm going in with the fitness, me and my big ideas fitness sticker book to look for a sticker for the run, which basically took forever for me to decide on one. But I picked the one that says no excuses, and I think it went really well with the color palette too. So yeah, I put that there because I've been telling myself to go on a run for forever, but I haven't because I don't know, I just lost my love of running, I guess. Spoiler alert, I did not go running on Monday, even though I told myself run and I put the no excuses sticker, but it was raining all day. Again, remnants from the hurricane. So I decided today was not the day, and I did not go for a run, but I'll do my best to try again. So I kind of go all over the place with my to-do list. I don't go in chronological order of days, just wherever it seems fitting for a day for the most part. How do you all go about writing in your to-do list? Do you have everything written on a sticky note and then you just fill it in your planner, or do you go more day by day? I like to know how you do it because it's pretty interesting, the thought process that everyone uses to figure out what they should do for the day. Also, I now have an Instagram account for this channel where I'll post pictures of my planner, and I've been making some like inspirational quotes and stuff like that. So if you want to follow, I'll leave the link in the description below, and I think I'll also try and get it to pop up on the video as well if I'm able to figure out how to do that. So, not really sure what I'm doing right now. Just flipping through, I guess. Trying to make sure I'm not missing anything. Who knows? But yeah, it looks like that is the end of my planning session right now. Don't have too much more to add. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it so that others can see it. It really helps spread the video around YouTube, and make sure you are subscribed so you can see more. And like I said earlier in the video, let me know down below if you like weekly plan with me's or if you like more of the monthly plan with me. Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next video, and have a great day. Bye!